What's up guys, Apple ITR here, and today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 12 to 12.1.2 using the new Rootless Jailbreak technique. Now this isn't a full jailbreak and won't allow you to install Cydia or other package managers, but it will allow you to install tweaks that are supported in iOS 12. When a full jailbreak with Cydia is released, I will of course be making a video tutorial, but this is all we have for now. This method does not require a computer and can be done strictly on your iDevice, which makes it really easy. With that being said, let's get started. All right, guys, so step one, open up this website on your iDevice in Safari. It is called app.ignition.fun. I will be posting all of the links in the video description that are required for this jailbreak. Now, once you're on this website, you're going to want to find Rootless Jailbreak under the Jailbreak section. Once you find it, just tap on it and then click Get and then Install. It will install the Rootless Jailbreak app on your iDevice. All right, so once that has been downloaded, go into your Settings app, go to General, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and find Profiles and Device Management. Find the new profile and click Verify App. All right, so the next step is to open up the new Rootless Jailbreak app on your iDevice's home screen. You're going to see some toggles with some options. I recommend unchecking Filza as well as iSuperSU and just making sure Tweaks is checked or toggled on. Then just tap Jailbreak. Your iDevice will reboot into a jailbroken state, and you'll need to do this each time you reboot your device. So that was it, guys. Your device has now been jailbroken via the Rootless Jailbreak method. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Now, if you guys want to know how to install Cydia tweaks using this method, there is no Cydia, unfortunately, so you guys are going to have to use a different method. I have made a video on how to install Cydia tweaks and mods to your device. It will appear in the thumbnail in this video right here, or I'll post the link in the video description. Now guys, please click that link if you want to install tweaks. It's also a simple and easy process without using a computer, and I make it pretty simple for you guys, and you'll have tweaks and mods on your device in no time. Thanks again, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.